Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make vegetable mushroom soup. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need fresh vegetables like carrots, celery, and onions, along with about 8 ounces of your favorite mushrooms. Make sure to have 6 cups of quality vegetable broth on hand. This simple preparation ensures a smooth cooking process and a delicious result for your easy homemade soup. Now, let's build the flavor base for our soup. Heat about 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add your diced onions, carrots, and celery, sautéing them for approximately 5 minutes until they begin to soften. Then, toss in your sliced mushrooms and continue to cook for about 7 minutes, allowing them to release their moisture and brown nicely. With your vegetables sautéed, it's time to add the liquid. Pour in the 6 cups of vegetable broth and bring the mixture to a gentle boil. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. This allows all the wonderful flavors to meld together beautifully. Don't forget to season with salt, pepper, and your favorite fresh herbs. Almost ready to enjoy your delicious homemade soup. Before serving, stir in about 1/2 cup of fresh chopped parsley or dill for a burst of color and flavor. Give it a final taste and adjust any seasonings as needed. Ladle the hot soup into bowls and serve immediately, perhaps with some crusty bread on the side. Enjoy your easy and comforting vegetable mushroom soup.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.